Welcome my student in digital learning class of mathematics. As you all know, we are in chapter number 6 that is related to algebraic expressions. And this chapter is generally related to multiplication. Now we are in worksheet number 3 that is related to multiplication of binomials. So here the word binomial represent algebraic expression which contains two terms. So this is very important. You must know first about binomials. So let's come to the point, that is, what do you mean by binomial first? So binomial is an expression which contains two terms. For example, like you can take example 2x minus 3. Second example 2y plus 5z. You can see here we have two terms. This is very important to understand the concept of term, because without terms it is difficult to understand. See here, these are two terms, as well as here first term is 2y, second term is 5z. So what is the rule when we have multiplication of a binomial? So let's come to the rule. Like for example, I have taken x plus y multiplied it to a plus b. You can see here there are two brackets and both bracket contains two terms. So let's see here. First thing is you need to take out the first number from the first bracket. So what is the first number from the first bracket? That is x. Write x first, then write second bracket as such, that is a plus b. You can see here second bracket as such I have written, no changes there. Then take the second term with sign. If it is plus, so take plus. If it is minus, then you can take minus. So in this example I have taken plus y, so you need to write same. Then after that your next task is to multiply this x inside. So first, as I told you, you can do in this way. First term with first, that is x is multiplied to a, then first with second, that is x multiplied by b. Same rule you need to apply in second part also. Y multiplied to a, then y multiplied by b. So this would be the answer. I hope it is clear to you how to multiply. So let's come to the point in actual practice how we are going to deal with such questions. So let's take the first question of the exercise, that is find the product of the following binomials. So here first binomial is given to us, that is 5x plus 3 and 2x plus 4. You can see in both bracket we have two terms. So as I told you, your first task is to write question as such. Then next part is to write the first term from the first bracket. So what is the first term in first bracket? You can check here. It is 5x. I did underline, that is 5x. So take 5x outside and second bracket is 2x plus 4. Write it as such. You can see in second step I have written same. Then take second number with sign. So it is plus sign here, plus 3. So take plus 3 as such. And then after that write again the first bracket similar, that is 2x plus 4. So what is the next step after this? After reaching this point, our next task is to multiply. But how to multiply? That is very important. So let's come to the point how to multiply. As I told you, just take first number with first. So first term we have 5x and inside it is 2x. So that means first task is to write 5x multiplied by 2x. Next task, 5x we need to multiply with 4x, that is 5x multiplied by 4x. So first bracket is solved. Similarly, we need to solve the second part, that is 3 is outside and 2x is inside. So first term with first, that is 3 into 2x. Then what is the second term? 3 into 4. 3 4 ja 12. So let's see how to multiply now. You can see here 5x is multiplied to 2x. So first task is to multiply numbers as I told you. So 5 2 ja 10. Here x is 2 times, so I need to write x raised to power 2. Next, you can see 5 4 ja 20 and 3 2 ja 6 with the x. Last is simple number, that is 4 3 ja 12. So what would be the last step? That is very important. Here you can see 10x square is alone, there is no other term which is containing power 2. So that means 10x is the first term. Then after that you can see in between there is a 20x plus 6x. So both terms are like, so we need to add them. 20 plus 6, 26x. and 12 in the last. So I hope, my dear student, it is clear to you up to here how to multiply. So let's see again the steps. First step is to write the number as such. Second step, to take the first number from the first bracket, write second bracket as such. Then again write the second number and first bracket as such. And this multiplication is similar as we did in monomials. So to understand this type of question clearly, let us take one more example to understand it clearly. So that is your question number 2. So in this question you can see again we have binomial that is related to part number second, that is 7p minus 3q into 2p plus 5q. So how to multiply again? Our task is to multiplication. So how to multiply? Let's see. First write the first term outside as I told you and second bracket full. Then take the second number from the first bracket with sign. So it is minus 3q and second bracket is 2p plus 5q. This is the first step. After reaching first step, again the task remains similar, that is related to how to multiply. So how to multiply? It is very important to understand. So let's see. First you need to multiply 7 into 2. So you can see here 7p is multiplied to 2p. Next is 7 to 5, that is 7p into 5q. Next 3 into 2, 3q into 2p. Then next 3 into 5, 3q into 5q. Now start multiplication. How to multiply? So 7 to the 14, 7 5 is 35, and then minus sign is outside. Later I am going to enter it in. First you need to do 3 to just 6 pq, then last 5 3 is 15, and q is 2 times, so it becomes q square. So next step is to check the like terms, that means having same terms. First term become 14p square, so there is no p square. Again in the same line you can check, that means I need to write 14 as such. Next 35pq is similar to 6pq, so that means 35 minus 6 I need to do here. Last is 15q square, it remains similar. So in the last you can write in this way, p square 14p square plus 29pq minus 15q square. So in this way you can solve these questions. I hope it is clear to you now how to solve such questions, and you can apply same concept in third and upcoming next part as I told you. Thank you so much.